Welcome back. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, A Wall of Hope, the Hugh Wynter Institute for Reproductive Healthcare and Endoscopic Surgery at the University Hospital of the West Indies is restoring the faith of couples who are struggling with infertility. Amoy Harriet reports.
Ray of Hope.
Whispers of ignorance.
Yeah, gelding.
Shibarin, our womb dry up.
The stones thrown at Jamaicans who are unable to naturally conceive children. In contrast, A Wall of Hope, featuring testimonials, pictures, motivational quotes, which has been erected at the Hugh Wynter Institute for Reproductive Healthcare and Endoscopic Surgery at the University of the West Indies. An everyday reminder that there is light at the end of the tunnel. Cordia Williams is living proof of this. She tried conceiving for years, counting the months like falling leaves, charts, tests, and what felt like hollow prayers.
I won't tell anybody it's easy. I'll never tell anybody that. The mental strain, the emotional strain, the physical strain, and the financial strain. But I really wanted to become a mother. I remember sticking myself so many times. I used to needles, but needles don't even, intimidate me anymore.
3 rounds of IVF and 7 years later, she finally got her miracle baby. And so too did Carell Jones.
Because I was at the time when I was ready now and realizing, you think it's an easy process, you just zip bang, do you think? So it was a bit frustrating and feeling that because I was, fairly in shape and, had a very good fitness level and I was doing all the right things. Positivity is so important. I know it's hard, especially after you've had disappointments, but try to stay positive, get a good relationship with God.
Approximately 15 to 20% of couples in Jamaica experience infertility. Global figures show it affects 1 in every 6 couples.
Remember that infertility is a disease that affects both males and females equally. So it's a 50-50. There's a common misnomer in Jamaica that is the woman's fault. It is not. The evidence internationally has suggested that 50% of couples in infertile relationships, the males are equally affected.
A lot of people sit in silence not understanding that there's help, just like diabetes or just like if you have other ailments, that there's a treatment for it.
The expertise found right here in Jamaica. And if there is any doubt, the bright smiles from patients and the pictures on the Wall of Hope serve as reinforcement that anything is possible if you believe.
I find the Wall of Hope quite inspiring because it's, as you know, not everybody who comes to IVF will have a success. There is no guarantee, but the issue is that a significant number of our patients do in fact have moved from despair to joy. And I think that for patients giving their own testimonials, it's reassuring for those who come afterwards to say there's hope.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Amoy Harriet.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Courts has one.